Kathleen, what trends are you seeing in the new financial crime report?
Well, one trend is that spending is expected to increase quite significantly over the next 12 months, with respondents saying they expect to increase spending by over 50%. At the same time, financial crime remains worryingly prevalent, with over 70% of respondents saying they were aware of financial crime in their global operations over the past 12 months.
So how can emerging technologies support the due diligence process?
Well, emerging technologies can certainly play a key role in the due diligence process, with almost all of the respondents believing that technology can significantly help to uncover risks and support the process. We see that cloud-based technology in particular is considered to be particularly helpful, and it's also notable that these emerging technologies have already been quite widely adopted. So, for example, over half of respondents are already using natural language recognition in their due diligence processes, and almost half of them are already using blockchain. And for certain compliance processes, such as KYC, we see that for those respondents that do use technology, their success rate is considerably higher, so they're almost twice as likely to consider their process successful as respondents that don't use technology in their KYC process.
So how critical is data in the fight against financial crime?
Well, data, I think, is certainly a key element in the fight against financial crime. Data can help uncover hidden risks and patterns that tell respondents the risk they need to know. But it's not the only element that is useful in the fight against financial crime. People are still necessary, as is collaboration, to ensure that regulations are effective and don't actually hinder the process. And for certain of the compliance processes, data is less useful than for others. So, for example, for enhanced due diligence checks, actually the respondents who use technology to drive their enhanced due diligence checks, their success rate wasn't significantly higher than for those respondents that didn't use technology. And that's perhaps because for heightened risk subjects that require more complex investigative intelligence gathering, really the role of a skilled interviewer interviewing a trusted source can provide key information that is necessary to make informed decisions. So I'd say while data is key, and it can certainly speed up the process and uncover risks that weren't previously apparent, it's not the only part of the process. I think the respondents are in agreement about that because they're also increasing investment in people at the same time as investment in technology over the next 12 months.
Great, thanks, Kathleen.